Hey yo guys, what's happening? It's your boy A to B Apex. Today, pack openings on FIFA 19. So let's get into it. Got 2 packs, 2 mega packs to open. 30 gold, 30 rare. 30 gold, 18 rare. The first pack, let's go. I haven't got my headphones in today, I just can't be bothered. Oh, I thought I had a board drop. Thought we had a board drop, man. Who we got? Bakuma. Bakuda. Oh, we got Kieran Trips. I'd take that. What's this guy? Is he a manager? Looks like a manager. Nice. Got Trips. I'll take Trips. Carry on with that English Premier League I'm going for. Don't forget guys, hit that like, should be here. Subscribe, click the bell to get notified. Oh, I got a board job, it's French. He's Italian. It's from Napoli. He's a walkout. I don't care, he's a walkout. Insignia. I'll take that. Let's take it. Let's take it. Oh, Juventus. Nice. Why does this crap keep like every time I get a board job? Manager, Scottish Premier League. We've got a Leicester badge. And 2 kits. Who's this dude? Old tight Leicester though. Good team. And that is it for today. Only a 2-minute long video, but hey. Oh. 15 25k packs. 8 35k, 8 50k, and 325k packs. Well, it's one of them. Well, that is it for today guys. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notifications button. I will be trying posting videos, probably daily, but other than that, peace.